One of Japan's unique dishes is chazuke. It's available in many convenience stores and supermarkets. Japanese canned food is also very unique. The wide selection of sweet and spicy soy sauce flavored foods is especially popular with visitors. Canned foods can be found in convenience stores and supermarkets all over Japan. Today, we will be introducing a simple way to make dinner in your hotel room after a long day of sightseeing.
How to cook great Ochazuke with canned Yakitori.
All you need is a pack of microwave-ready instant rice, instant chazuke powder, a can of chicken yakitori, Put everything on top of the rice and just add hot water. And your favorite condiments like chopped green onions, wasabi, or seaweed. Dinner is served. In just a few minutes, you too can prepare this satisfying chazuke meal.
いただきます。
Try making it yourself and let us know how it tastes.
Let's try and enjoy it.